Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial today, and I'm working in Photoshop CS3. It's the same for, I'm working on a Mac, but it'll be the same for Windows. You just use Control instead of Command or Apple. Now I'm going to be making a banner that goes from this picture to this picture to this, and with a really soft fuzzy edge in between. So there will be no harsh edge. Okay, so I've just created a new file, 900 by 200 pixels, which is a good size for a banner. You can make it whatever you'd like. So normally most people would go copy and paste, and the shortcut is Command A, Command C, and Command V. But I'm just going to undo that and show you another way. Make sure the arrow is selected, and all you do is you click on the picture and you drag. It is super quick. So now those photos are on different layers. Okay, so I'm just going to work on the first one first to show you and turn off all the others. So you go Control T to transform, hold down Shift. That constrains the proportions because you don't want it warping anything. And then double click to get off it. And then make sure you've got the next layer selected and do exactly the same thing. Control or Command T, Shift, and drag. Alright, once you've got it looking how you'd like, you can create the masks. You need to create a mask to get that effect, so I'm just going to turn off those layers and work on the first one. And to do that, you click on this icon down the bottom, and that creates a mask. Now when you're working on the mask, you have to make sure it's selected, because you can either select the picture or the mask. And it works on black and white principle, where black is transparent and white is not. So anything that's black will be transparent. Now since the gradient is going from that way to that way, we want the transparent edge to be on this side. So all we do is we'll work back the other way. So you just drag across, and if you look at the mask, you can see black. Black means there's nothing there, there's no picture. White is fully opaque. Okay, so and with these gradients, you can do it as many times as you want, and the beauty of it is you don't need to undo, because it just overwrites the previous one. So if you want a straight line, you click Shift. Now I'm just going to go a little bit inside the border of the picture, and then just drag across like that. It's very a bit harsh, so you just keep doing it until you get it how you like it. Alright, so I'll just do exactly the same thing for all the other layers. That. And now because I've done it already once on this layer, if I do it again, it will to this side, it will overwrite that side. So what I need to do is I might have to just select the area that I want to be working in with the rectangular selection tool. So once I've done that, I just do the same thing. Go back the other way and hold down Shift. Okay? So then I go to the next one and Command D for David to deselect. Make the mask and do the gradient thing again. Then select the other side. Oops, sorry. See, I wasn't working on the mask bit. Okay. Command D and the last one. Make sure that's selected and the gradient selected. Okay, so I'm just going to just rearrange it a bit, move that over a bit. There we go. So as you can see, it's been very quick and very easy. And it's taken not very long, and it gives it a really nice cool effect. So Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new, and I will see you very shortly. Okay, bye.